Okay. Hi, Billy. Oh, thing's in the way. My bad. Alright. Hi, Billy. That's Billy, everyone. It's me! Alright, yeah, as you can see, I got a new camera. You like it? So do you like it? Alright, good. What did you want to show me?
Something outside.
What do you mean something outside?
I don't know, it's just something.
How do you not know? You're the one showing me.
You'll see when you get out there.
Alright, let's go. I can't get up. Okay. You lead the way. And I will record his butt as we walk outside. Very dark outside today. I think it's gonna rain. Anyway, come on. Let's. I kind of am scared to see what you're gonna show me in a shed.
It's unlocked.
It's unlocked. Do you usually keep it unlocked?
No. There you go. Oh. What?
Big ass spider! Oh! My god, look at that thing! Oh!
Piece of shit!
Oh shit, my thing's in the way. So...
Spider got away.
Not gonna lie. It scared the shit out of me. What about you? Yeah. You just tried to kill it, but it got away. So, I'm not going in there. Not after that.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Some footsteps or something?
Anyway, I didn't hear footsteps, but I mean, you got a gate around the yard. How could anybody get in here? Did you hear that? It sounds like there's somebody over there. Or something. Go look. If you want.
Okay.
Go ahead. What? You're the guy. You go look. I'm gonna stand back here. You go ahead. What just happened? I don't know what just happened. There's someone at the door. Shit. Go away! Billy. Get in here. You're covered in blood. Come on, go to the sink. Did they bite you?